You guys see it right there? Definitely a coin. Oh my god. Hello everybody. We are metal detecting in my mom's backyard again, which is actually where we found an 1800s Indian head penny. Our main goal today is to do a little landscaping for her and help her out with the project, but at the same time we're going to metal detect and hopefully find something cool for you. I just want to say thank you to all of our subscribers and everyone who watches our videos. Thanks for all the support. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe to our page, like this video, and leave us a comment. Thanks. This is the area that we are working on my mom's project. The ground is actually a little bit unlevel, right about where the dirt is wet. We're just going to start by detecting before we move any dirt around, just in case there is something good. That way we don't damage it. I'm using my lucky shovel today that I found back in this backyard. Oh, there is a nail. Keep looking. There is another nail. Oh, it's I don't know. It definitely looks old. Not sure what it is. Could have been what our signal is. Tin foil sounds good. Alright, there's something there.
Yeah, screw right on top.
Oh. Okay, got a screw right on top. Oh, that may have been what the signal was. Oh, there's something over there. Alright, let's dig that up. Oof, it's a little tough right here. I think there's some gravel down below the dirt. Maybe it's... Ooh, we got some trash. Let's pinpoint. Okay, we pulled something out. You guys see it right there? Definitely a coin. Oh my god. A 1913. I think it's a dime. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. This is crazy.
Because we found one at Kate's house in Orville.
Okay, do you guys see how good condition this is in? This is why when we pull out newer coins and they're all wrecked, we know it's a newer coin, because old coins always come out just nearly perfect. That's crazy. Oh, there's so much good stuff all around. Okay. There we go. Oh. Okay, I think it's out. That is trash. We'll pull that out. Oh, it's in the hole. Okay, I see it right here. It's a coin. It is a Lincoln penny, but it was right next to that dime. It's crazy how we found a dime, the old dime, right here in this pretty shallow hole, and then right next to it we dig up a newer penny and it was deeper in the ground. I don't understand how this works, but I'm just gonna keep digging up every good signal. This is right around where we found that 1800s penny. That day we were metal detecting, we pulled a lot of trash out of the ground, and it's a really good thing we did because they just put in a garden afterwards. Oh, well, pop tab. It's in my hand. Oh, a nail. Let's look again. Okay. Oh, I see there. An old staple or something. You guys see that right there? We got a penny or something after we rescanned. I think I can make out the Lincoln on the back there. Yep, Lincoln penny. All right, should be right on the surface. Just gonna take this whole clump out. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over. You guys see what this is? I think it's a carpet. But I don't know what I was scanning that was metal. Oh look, look under it. Wow. We are gonna find a lot of crazy stuff out here. Oh, here's a nail. Let's keep looking. Okay, you see, okay, I thought it was a coin, but you can see a hole in the middle, I think. Well, maybe it is a coin. Ugh, it's an old rusty washer. It fooled me. There it is. A beer cap. Popped out. It's a tool of some sort. Oh, did you see that? It's a bolt. Looks like a, I don't know, piece of aluminum or pop top or something. Oh, a nail. I think it's a square nail. Okay, it's kind of weird. So far we found 2 square nails, 1 really old coin, and then everything else is just a bunch of newer trash. Oh, that is a piece of metal, but I don't think that's what our signal was. Oh, can you guys see right there? See the edge of it? It's a coin. What kind is it? The edges are a little tore up, probably a newer penny. Oh, there is probably what I was getting. Yeah. That little staple, old staple. My camera died right when I was digging this up, but it was a grate, a huge grate, and this big thing. My camera guy dug it up for me. Lay around this. Oh. There is something. Oh look, that's what it is. It's the top of a, like a piggy bank, coin jar or something. Maybe. Is that right? Let's see what we got. It's hard to film and dig. I think I got it. Okay, let's see how I can hold the camera. There we go. Oh, it's a coin. Oops. I think it's just a newer penny. It's pretty tore up. There we go. See that? Some more wire. Alright, this might be the last thing I dig up because we gotta finish out leveling the ground before it gets dark. Okay, we were working on leveling out the ground. We were using the pick. It was the camera guy actually. I always see this. Oh my gosh, it's a coin for sure. Oh, it's a nickel. Okay, let's see. It could be a 1987 nickel. Great find. I'm gonna show you guys a couple more things we pulled out while picking the ground. We got this. It's a weight, 8-pound plate, and then some tin snips. Good finds. Ooh, it's getting dark out here. Been scanning a little bit while he's picking. There's a signal right here. I might get the, oh, look at that. Can you guys see? There we go, put the flashlight on. Just some aluminum, it looks like. The coin we found today was a 1913 barber dime. There it is. I'll flip it over for you guys. If you guys look at it, it's in really great condition. It's getting a little bit green coloration at the top and a little on the back. If you guys remember, that Indian head penny we pulled out was very green and oxidized, but this dime is actually in much better condition, and I'm just gonna put it right into my collection. It's a great find. So this ended up being a big project in my mom's yard. We have a lot of content and we might have to make multiple videos. Make sure to hit the notification button so we can keep you updated, because we're gonna keep filming and hopefully keep finding great stuff. And I want to take this time to thank all of our supporters and our followers. We've been getting a lot of great feedback. And if you're new to our page, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Thanks.